Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to align buttons in loop posts products in Elementor WordPress. If you're building a product grid or blog post loop and notice that your buttons are misaligned due to varying content lengths, this tutorial will help you create a clean, professional layout where all buttons sit perfectly at the same level. First, go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're entering your credentials correctly to access the back end of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main WordPress dashboard with all your site management options displayed on the left sidebar. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Templates, then click on Theme Builder. This is where Elementor allows you to design and customize dynamic content like archive pages, single posts, and product loops. The Theme Builder gives you full control over how your content displays across your entire site, making it an essential tool for creating consistent, professional layouts. However, here's something important you need to know. You need to upgrade to Elementor Pro in order to align buttons in loop posts or products. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the loop grid or loop carousel widgets, which are necessary for building dynamic product grids and post loops with advanced alignment options. Elementor Pro unlocks these powerful features, including the ability to use custom positioning Flexbox containers, and alignment controls that ensure your buttons stay aligned regardless of how much text appears in each product description or post excerpt. With Elementor Pro, you'll be able to access the Loop Grid widget, apply custom CSS if needed, and use container settings to push buttons to the bottom of each card using Flex properties. This ensures that no matter how different your content lengths are, all your call to action buttons will align perfectly across your grid, creating that polished, cohesive look that's essential for professional e-commerce sites and modern blogs. And that's what you need to know about aligning buttons in loop posts products in Elementor WordPress. The key takeaway is that Elementor Pro is required to access the advanced loop and alignment features that make this possible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.